is for apple, red and sweet, a tasty fruit that's nice to eat. B is for bird, flying high, spreading wings across the sky. C is for cat, soft and kind, purring gently, peace you'll find. D is for dream, close your eyes, stars are shining in the skies. E is for elephant, big and slow, walking softly to and fro. F is for flower, blooming bright, colors shining in the light. G is for gentle, calm and true, a happy world for me and you. H is for home, cozy and warm, safe and sound, away from harm. I is for island, quiet and small, ocean waves, a soothing call. J is for joy, a soft sweet cheer, happiness grows when love is near. K is for kite, drifting free, dancing lightly in the breeze. L is for light, soft and clear, glowing gently, always near. M is for moon, shining bright, guiding us through the calm night. N is for nest, where birdies stay, resting softly at end of day. O is for ocean, deep and wide, whispers softly with the tide. P is for peace, quiet and still, gentle hearts and gentle will. Q is for quiet, soft and slow, a peaceful place where calm winds blow. R is for rainbow, colors so true, painting the sky in a gentle view. S is for star, twinkling high, shining calmly in the sky. T is for tree, steady and tall, giving shade and love to all. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry, raindrops falling from the sky. V is for valley, green and low, soft winds whisper as they blow. W is for wind, gentle and light, singing softly through the night. X is for soulful, notes so sweet, gentle music, calm and neat. Y is for yawn, sleepy and slow, time for dreams to gently grow. Z is for zebra, peaceful and free.